Video number 4. How your business can get the most out of WhatsApp. WhatsApp has an awesome set of marketing tools that almost no other platform may offer you. What we are going to show you in videos 4 through 10 is setting up and getting to know your account, WhatsApp settings, WhatsApp calls, WhatsApp chats, WhatsApp contacts, WhatsApp web, and how to use WhatsApp as a business owner or independent professional. Setting up and getting to know your account. To start using WhatsApp, you must download the application and install it. Before installing WhatsApp, remember to check if your phone is compatible with the application. You must use your wireless network or internet plan to download and install the application. If your phone is an Android, go to the store by clicking on Play Store. In the search bar, type WhatsApp or WhatsApp Messenger. And then click on the green icon, which is the original icon for WhatsApp. Once you are there, you will learn some information about the application, such as how many times it has been downloaded, its overall rating among users, etc. You now will click on Install. You will then learn what WhatsApp will need to get access to within your phone to use it properly. To authorize it, click on Accept and wait for the application to download. Once the download has finished, you will go to your application screen and you will see a shortcut to WhatsApp. Just click on it. WhatsApp will welcome you to its cross-platform messaging with friends all over the world, and you will see icons where it can be installed and used. You can also click on the Terms of Service to learn more about the appropriate uses of WhatsApp. It is very important to take a close look at every part of the WhatsApp Terms of Service. It doesn't matter that it's a free and easy-to-use application. They can shut down your account if you don't meet their terms. After reading the Terms of Service, close the window and you will be back to WhatsApp. If you agree to these terms, click on Agree and Continue. To use WhatsApp, you must register your phone number. This number will register the phone number in your account. Each country has a different code. You must select your country and enter your phone number and click OK. WhatsApp will send a text message to this number so you can confirm that your number is correctly submitted. Edit it if you need to, and click on OK again. Now you just need to wait until WhatsApp verifies your phone number and activates your account for it to work. Remember, you must have a working SMS plan. If SMS verification fails, you can try a voice verification. WhatsApp will call the number you submitted, so you should click on Call Me and enter the 6-digit code you receive. You can now enter your name the way you want and an optional profile photo. You can even add some icons to it too. Then click on Next. You will see how WhatsApp is free for 1 year. Then it's only 99 cents a year. You can click on Why We Do Not Sell Ads to open a browser window and learn the reasons why they made this decision. Then click on Continue. Now you can start sending messages or call your WhatsApp contacts. The contacts will be those whom you have registered in your phone's contacts and have downloaded the application into their personal devices. As you can see, there are 3 main tabs: Calls, Chats, and Contacts. Since you're just getting started, you will have no conversations with any contact. If you click on Contacts, watch how WhatsApp updates your list of contacts from your device completely and automatically. You can send invitations. Those contacts will receive a message inviting them to begin using WhatsApp. You just need to click on Invite a Friend. In Calls, because you are new to WhatsApp, you will have no record of calls. It will also be the same for the Chats tab, but you will learn how to use all these functions in just a second. Video 5. WhatsApp Settings. WhatsApp is one of the most used tools around the world. However, most who use it ignore its settings area. First of all, open the application. The settings area will be exactly the same for all three tabs: calls, chats, and contacts. Go directly to the three dots icon located at the top right corner. Then select Settings, and it will open the Settings menu. It will have options like Help, Profile, Account, Chat and Calls, Notifications, and Contacts. First click on Help. You will see topics such as About, FAQs, System Status, and a way to contact them to ask questions or for getting additional help. In the About section, you will find information about the WhatsApp version you have and the WhatsApp licenses. In the FAQ section, you will be directed to the WhatsApp Frequently Asked Questions page, so you can resolve any questions you may have. On System Status, you will learn if the WhatsApp service is operating normally. And on Contact Us, you can directly inform WhatsApp about any issues you may be facing. Going back to the main menu, let's take a look at the Profile option. Here you'll be able to edit your name identifier and your profile picture. You can click on the small pencil located at the bottom right corner to edit it. Your gallery will open automatically. You will see several options you have for selecting photos. Then, you can browse for an image of your choice and click on the one you like. Once selected, you can choose what section of the image you want to use and click on OK. Your image will be updated. Below the picture, you can input your name. This is not a username. It is the name your contacts will see to identify you on WhatsApp. To edit it, click on the little pencil, input your name or whatever you want. You can even add emoticons. When you are done, click OK. In the Account area, you will find options like Privacy, Payment Info, Change Number, Delete My Account, and Network Usage. In Privacy, you can decide who can see your personal info and any of the contacts you have blocked. Every option will have a small explanation so you can know what it is for. In the Payments Info, you will see when your subscription expires, and other options to set up your payment information. In the Change Number area, you will be able to simply change the number you submitted for the WhatsApp account. Something cool with this is that WhatsApp will migrate your account info, groups, and settings. In the Delete Account area, you will be able to delete your WhatsApp account. And finally, in Network Usage, you can see how much you have used WhatsApp since you installed it. Let's go back to the main menu and click on Chats and Calls. Here you will be able to edit some chat settings and call settings. Under Chat Settings, if you click on Media Auto Download, three options will appear: when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. These options are used so you may have more control on the usage of your data connection, which is normally paid by yourself. If you want to change this, click on any of them, select your choices, and click OK. You can do the same with the other two options. You are also able to change the font size between small, medium, and large. You can also decide what wallpaper to use. Just select an image, decide what piece of the image you want to show, and click on OK. You are also able to back up your messages and media to Google Drive. You can restore them when you reinstall WhatsApp. You can decide how often you want to perform a backup, what Google account you want to use, and what connection platform you want to use for the backup. You can even include videos in the backup. In Chat History, you get to decide what you want to do with your chats. Now let's click on Notifications. Here you can set up message notifications and group notifications. You will find options like notification tone, vibrate or not, pop-up notification, and lighting effects. And finally, in the Contacts area, you will be able to invite a friend, pay the WhatsApp service for a friend, and also show all contacts you have in your WhatsApp account. For inviting your friends, you will see an awesome list of ways you can contact anyone to connect with on WhatsApp. Well, I think you are ready to start using WhatsApp with more knowledge than other users. Video number 6. WhatsApp calls. Not so long ago, only those that had the function activated would be able to use the calling function. But now, with just upgrading to the latest version, you will be able to enable the calling function automatically. WhatsApp Call is available for users of WhatsApp Android, iPhone, Windows Phone, and BlackBerry, and other devices that have the feature enabled, which means you can call anyone that has any of those devices with WhatsApp installed. The WhatsApp calling function allows you to make free calls to all your friends and family who have WhatsApp, even if they are in another country. WhatsApp Call uses the data connection on your phone instead of the calling plan of your mobile operator, so you will only be charged for the use of your mobile data. And if you use Wi-Fi, the call will be absolutely free. It is important to note that you cannot make calls to emergency service numbers via WhatsApp, so you have to use other means to make an emergency call. Making phone calls with WhatsApp is simple. You can click on the Calls tab and you will see a list of all incoming or outgoing calls that have been made. If you want to contact any one of those persons, you can just click on the phone icon located at the right of the contact. If you want to make a new call with another contact not listed here, you can click on the phone icon with a plus located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, you will click on the little search icon to find and select a contact. Using the phone keypad, enter the name of the person you wish to call or simply select it from the drop-down. When you click on the name of the person, the call will start automatically. While the call is connected, you have 3 options. The little speaker icon will let you enable the speaker of your device, so you can talk without sticking your phone to your ear. The little microphone icon will let you mute the call, and the little chat icon will let you chat with your contact while you are talking with them, which is awesome. You can go back to the call area by clicking on the tab Return to Call. If you want to end the call, you just need to click on the red phone icon located in the middle. As you can see, if you are chatting with a contact, you can also perform a call from there. When someone calls you, your screen shows you a WhatsApp call notification. To answer, just press and slide the green button to answer. If you do not want to answer, touch and slide the red button to reject. Something important for you to notice is that every one of the 3 areas, calls, chats, and contacts, has its own settings area. Here in the calling area, if your device shows this little icon with 3 lines, it will show the exact same thing as the 3 dots icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Those options are Clear Call Log, Status, and Settings. Also, something very important to know is that this Settings tab and the Status tab are exactly the same for all the 3 main tabs, calls, chats, and contacts. If that is something you have already set up, it is not necessary to go there again. In the Clear Call Log, you simply will be able to clear your entire call log. You are now more than ready to start playing around with this and call all the friends you want. Video number 7. WhatsApp Chats. Besides making phone calls, WhatsApp is an instant chatting application with which you can send text messages to other users who have installed the application via a device data plan or Wi-Fi network. To start a chat, you simply need to click the contact you want to chat with and start chatting. Suppose you are inside your chats area and somebody is writing to you. You would need to click on that contact to see what they are trying to tell you. They say hi to start a conversation with you and also ask you, "Where are you?" You would answer back by typing your message and clicking on the green icon to submit it. As you type, you can see if that person is online, typing, or if he or she has seen your messages. Now, back to the question of where are you? Something awesome you can do with WhatsApp is, rather than writing where you are, you can send your exact location. You can click the little attach icon located in the upper tab. Then, click on Location, and you will automatically see your location from Google Maps. You can just click on Send Your Current Location, and your contact will see exactly where you are. Of course, you could just tell them where you are by typing it, but I just wanted to show you this awesome WhatsApp function. Really cool, isn't it? WhatsApp has a lot of emoticons that you can add to your messages as well. There are 6 sections to choose from, left to right. In the first one, you will see all the emoticons mostly used in your conversations, so you can have them at hand for future chatting. In the second section, you will see all kinds of faces, hands, and body parts. In the third section, you will see really cool animals and flowers. In the fourth section, you will see objects of all kinds. In the fifth section, you will see more objects of all kinds. And in the sixth section, you will see numbers, arrows, and other symbols. If you want to take a picture and send it, just click the camera icon which is next to the chat box. Take the picture, add a caption, and send it. You can also send a photo from other places. You just click on the little attach icon, pick the image's source of your choice, pick the photo, add a caption, and send it. You can tell if your message has been read or received using the following signs. When the message is sending, a clock will appear on the right corner of the message. When the message is sent to the WhatsApp server but not yet to the recipient, one gray check will appear. When the WhatsApp server has sent the message to the recipient but has not yet been read, a double gray check will appear. A blue double check will appear once the message has been received and read by the recipient. You can even send videos to your contacts. With the video option, you can record the video and send it. Sending a video will take some more time to load. If you want to send audio, click on Audio and choose the sound recorder, choose a music track, or record with WhatsApp. If you choose to record with WhatsApp, just start recording, click on Stop when you're done, and click on Send. You can also share contacts in your chats. Click on Contacts. Choose the contact you want to share, and click on Send. In the three dots icon of the active window, you will be able to set up additional things like View Contact, Media, Search, Wallpaper, and more. If you want to see the profile of the person you are chatting with, you can click on the View Contact. You will see his name identifier, profile picture, status, media, and notification settings. In the three dots icon of this area, you will have two more options: View in Address Book and Pay For, which means you decide to pay the WhatsApp subscription for the contact you are chatting with. By clicking on the main three dots icon for the chat section, you will see additional settings, especially for the chats function itself. Things like new groups, new broadcast, WhatsApp web, starred messages, status, and settings. I want to remind you that this Settings tab and the Status tab are exactly the same for all three main tabs: calls, chats, and contacts. And if that is something you have already set up, it is not necessary to go there again. Okay, awesome. Now, here finally comes the amazing WhatsApp feature called WhatsApp Groups. The WhatsApp Group Chat feature lets you chat with up to 100 people at once. It is a great way to stay in touch with your family, friends, and colleagues. In addition to the maximum number of people you can add to a group, there are a few more things to keep in mind about group chat. You may create an unlimited number of groups. Each group can have one or more admins. Only admins can add and remove participants. Only admins can make other participants admins. If the last admin leaves the group, a new admin will be randomly assigned. You can always control your own participation in a group chat by staying in or leaving the group when you wish. Remember that only group admins have the ability to add participants. If you have any questions about being added to a group or prefer not to be added, please speak to a group admin. If you have blocked a contact, you will still receive messages this contact sends into any group you have in common. Likewise, they will still receive messages you send to those groups. To create a group, you just need to provide a group subject and optional group icon. Then click on Next. Then you will be able to add participants into your group. You can put the name in the Search tab or add them one by one. You can add up to 100 participants and click on Done. Then click on Create and voila! You have created a group. Your group will appear in your list of chats in which you have already been involved. Taking a look at the group setting, you will be able to see the group info, group media, search, mute, and wallpaper. The wallpaper is the background image of the group chatting interface. You can change it if you want. This little microphone icon right here is used to record your voice and send voice messages as well. You can also send emoticons in your group chatting. Going back to the main chatting tab, there is the broadcast function, which is an amazing function too. A broadcast list allows you to create, save, and message a list of contacts instantaneously. Recipients receive your broadcast message like a regular message, directly in the individual chat. Recipients also do not know who else received the message, and do not know that it was sent as part of a broadcast list. When they respond, they only respond to you individually. In this sense, it works like the BCC, blind carbon copy function of an email. In order for specific contacts to receive your broadcast message, they must have your phone number saved in their address books. This allows users to control from whom they wish to receive broadcast messages. Now comes the WhatsApp web function, which is so awesome, but we will cover that in the next section of this training. After the WhatsApp web function comes the starred message function. This function consists of the ability to bookmark or save the most important messages into the starred message section of WhatsApp. You just need to select the important messages of your choice inside the chat box. You then will see several options for what you can do with that message. The first one will be to star that message. The second one is to delete the message. The third one will be to copy the message, and the last one will be to forward the message to another contact or group. Well, now you are 100% skilled on how to use the WhatsApp's chats section.